So Shannon, I've been hearing a lot about your Suburban, you know, and when we first talked about this and saw it, you know, you had different wheels on this.
Oh yeah.
There's just a different colorway, and now to see this with new wheels, new stance, it's got a totally different attitude. This is amazing. You got to take us through this build. So,
yeah, for sure.
So please start with these wheels. These
so
wheels
we'll start with these. So I originally had American Racing 22s, white smoothies, loved them. And 6 years I think I had them on there. My buddy John at New Gen's like, dude, we got to do New Gens on your car. And I'm like, okay, let's do it. So we went through some designs, and this is what we came up, the OG8s. And I am like, I knew it was going to change the look of the car. I didn't realize it would completely change the look of the car. Right?
It sure did.
And it's wild to just think what a wheel can do.
And then what's really neat is how you carry that colorway into your engine.
Yeah, and so into the engine, what we did is I pulled all the aluminum pieces off and sent them down to John. He had them polished by the same person, had them brushed by the same person, and then had them powder coated by the same person. So that way, when I get them all back, they all match. Right, the theme follows all the way through. It's all polished or powder coated, and so ties everything in just perfectly. And it actually ties in the color with the TMI interior, which was part of the goal.
There you go.
Right, we all wanted to kind of feed together. That pops beautifully off the blue.
Yes.
Right.
And you couldn't help but notice that you also have a turbo in here.
I do. Yeah. So we're running. It's a T4 ball bearing turbo, running about 8.5 pounds of boost. It's all about I thought about it's all about the little ridiculous.
Yeah.
So I was like, why not have a turbo? It's got the loudest blow off valve you can find, right? Same with my airbags, loudest blow off valve you can put on it. I'm like, cool, let's make it so it sounds like a big rig when I shift on the freeway. It's fantastic.
So now that we went through the motor and again the way all the colors complement the interior. So what made you want to go with TMI for this build?
So I've been friends with John for a long time. So he had run TMI in some of his previous cars. I think one of his Novas had them. I love the fit and the comfort, right? You just sit in them, and you could ride for hours, right? We drive, we built this to drive, family sits in it, right? I wanted the comfort. You guys had the flexibility on the colors I wanted, the designs I wanted. I'm like, okay, it's a no-brainer at that point, right? And I looked at all these options to say, okay, what's the best? And it all came back to TMI, right? And I was like, okay, that's it. And right, the seats, I was like, cool, I found the perfect seats. I love the combo, the door panel's perfect. And then I bought, I don't know, umpteen yards of material to finish the rest.
Right.
And it just made it fun, right? Working with you guys, because it was easy. I was like, oh, I need material, cool, send it up, right? I need thread, you send it up. And it made life super easy for me, because I didn't have to worry about it anymore.
Sure.
Right? It's like, the seats are done, cool, bolt them on. Brackets are there, bolt them on. I was like, oh, yeah, no brainer. There was so much more to worry about, but I was like, I know they're gonna fit.
Sure. You can't help but notice how you carried that into a very custom, really cool center console.
Yeah, and so I drove it for a while without one, right? Because it was like, I gotta get it done. And I'm sitting there, I was like, I don't have a place to put my water bottle. I'm like, what do I do? And so I wanted something that kind of threw back a little bit to the old cool consoles, SS style and stuff. And so kind of did a small waterfall touchscreen. I mean, I went over the top on it, but right, it's like, yeah, you want the armrest, you want the cup holders. I got phone chargers built into it, LED lights. And then the side trim, I was like, took the beautiful design of the door cards and merged it into the center console, so everything kind of flows through. You look from one side to the next, and everything matches.
It really does.
Yeah.
It's something that really caught my eye. Like,
oh, good.
What did he do with that center console? Amazing.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah. So thanks for making the special trip down here from San Jose all the way to SoCal. Amazing.
I love it.
And this car, it is mind-blowing how different it looks with these new wheels. I still can't get over it. This is a great build. So
I appreciate that.
Thank you for your time, Shannon.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Cheers.